Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. In today's topic, I'm going to tell you guys why your EPC warning light is on for your Volkswagen and Audi. The EPC warning light, also known as electronic power control, turns on when there is something wrong with your vehicle that affects its performance. When the EPC warning light is turned on, the vehicle will be set into limp mode, basically a safety feature that limits speed to about 35 to about 50 miles per hour. The first common cause is going to be an engine misfire. If you have an engine misfire caused by bad ignition coil, spark plug, bad fuel injector, or low compression, definitely this will trigger the EPC warning light. The next most common cause is going to be a vacuum leak. If you have a vacuum leak, this will trigger a P0300 random engine misfire code. It would also trigger a lien code such as P0171. So if you have a vacuum leak, go ahead and look for cracked vacuum hoses, check for bad intake manifold gasket, check for a vacuum leak coming around a brake booster, and so on. The next common problem is going to be a dirty or malfunctioning throttle body. So if there's something wrong with your throttle body, this will definitely trigger the EPC warning light. If you have a dirty throttle body, go ahead and buy throttle body cleaner or use carburetor cleaner and clean the passage inside the throttle body. This may actually fix the issue. The next common problem is going to be a failing or dirty mass airflow sensor. So all you need to do is just buy yourself mass airflow sensor cleaner and clean the mass airflow sensor. And again, this might actually fix the problem. The next common problem is going to be there's something wrong with the charging system. For example, if the alternator is not charging the battery or the alternator is not providing enough power to the ignition coil or fuel injector, again, this can trigger the EPC warning light. If there's something wrong with your charging system, make sure that you check the serpentine belt, make sure it is not slipping, make sure you check the battery terminal, make sure it's not corroded, and make sure you check the battery itself. If the battery is more than 5 years old, there's a very high chance it is time to change that battery. In addition to that, you want to check the battery terminal, make sure it is not loose or corroded. You also want to check the cable as well. You want to make sure it is not damaged, loose, and again, corroded. The next common problem is going to be maybe there's something wrong with your turbo. If there's something wrong with your turbo, let's just say something is loose or let's just say a piece broke off, definitely it will trigger the EPC light. The next common problem is going to be timing issue. For example, let's just say your timing chain is stretched or you got a bad timing tensioner or a bad timing guide. Definitely that will affect your timing, and again, it will trigger that warning light. The next common problem is going to be maybe the computer or ECM just need to be updated. So if the ECM needs to be updated, make sure you check with your local dealership, and if there's a TSB out on it or a recall, definitely bring it in and get your ECM updated. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.